Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell.